Hey everybody! Today we're going to go over stocks versus Forex. I know the title says Forex versus stocks, but we're actually going to go over futures versus Forex. So what's the deal? Why don't we just call it Forex versus futures? Well, to be honest, people always get confused about Forex and stocks. So we're going to go over all that stuff and give you the facts. Why trade Forex, Forex versus stocks? When you're ready to enter the financial markets, it's important to know what kind of trades suit your objectives. Trade Forex is great for those that want to speculate on the global economy and currency markets. There are approximately 800+ stocks listed in the New York stock market. Another 300+ happen to be stated on the Nasdaq. Which one do you want to trade? Got enough time to stay together with so many companies? With Forex, there are a large number of currencies traded, however the majority of marketplace players trade the 7 important pairs. Minimal market manipulation. Most people think of trading Forex as being no different than trading stocks, but this is not the case. Forex is a global market that has more to do with the current economic climate of various countries, which can change on a whim. This can lead to changes in currency rates, which are being traded back and forth by professionals who are trying to predict what will happen. How many times perhaps you have heard that Funda was advertising X or investing in Z? The currency markets is very vulnerable to large fund investing. With Forex trading, the massive size of Forex makes Thelikelihudov anybody fund or bank controlling a specific currency very small. The FX industry is sufficiently liquid that significant manipulation by any single entity is all but impossible during active trading time for the significant currencies. Banks, hedge cash, governments, retail currency alteration houses, and large net worth folks are just some of the participants found in the location currency markets where in fact the liquidity is unprecedented. Analysts and brokerage businesses are less inclined to influence the market. Perhaps you have watched TV lately. Found out about a certain internet inventory and an analyst of a prestigious brokerage company accused of keeping its suggestions, such as for example, buy, when the inventory was rapidly declining. It's the nature of the relationships. No matter what the federal government does to part of and discourage this kind of activity, we've not heard the previous of it. IPOs are big organization for both companies going consumer and the brokerage properties. Relationships are actually mutually beneficial and analysts do the job for the brokerage homes that need the firms as clients. That Get-22 won't disappear. Forex, as the primary market, generates billions on revenue for the world's banks and is going to be essential of the global markets. Analysts in Forex have very little influence on exchange costs, they just analyze Forex. In the battle between Forex versus stocks. It also shows that Forex offers the flexibility of trading any time of day or night, while stocks are limited to when the markets are open. Forex markets are open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, with holidays in most countries. 24-hour market. If you are looking for a diversified portfolio to protect against global economic shocks, the Forex markets are a place to start. With minimal startup capital, traders can access to foreign currency markets around the world. By following the movements of these international currencies, Forex traders can make large returns or minimize their losses. The Forex markets are open 24 hours per day, which means that traders never have to leave the markets. This is an attractive proposition for traders who trade on their own. Most agents are available from Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, with customer support usually available 24/7. Having the ability to trade through the US, Asian, and European market time, you can customize your personal trading schedule. The stock marketplace is bound to an exchange's opening time. For instance, in the US, most stock exchanges wide open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and close at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Aren't 7 important pairs easier to monitor than a large number of stocks? Look in Mr. Forex. He's hence confident and naughty. Mr. Stocks does not have any chance. That's one among the many benefits of Forex over the stock market segments. Here are some more. Minimal or no commissions. Forex trading has minimal or no commissions, making it one of the best investments for profit. Forex is easy to trade and can be a good investment for beginners as well as seasoned traders. Forex has minimal or no commissions, making it one of the best investments for profit. Trading Forex is easy in Forex and be a good investment for beginners as well as seasoned traders. As a whole lot of online share brokers now give zero commissions, which means this is currently less of one factor. Most Forex brokers fee no commission or perhaps additional transaction charges to trade currencies online or hire the phone. Combined with the restricted, consistent, and totally transparent spread, Forex currency trading costs are less than those of virtually any other market. Most brokers are actually compensated for their products and services through the bid/ask pass-on. Higher trading quantity and liquidity. Forex sees the average daily turnover of $6.6 trillion. The currency markets sees a fraction of the short selling lacking any uptick. Unlike the equity promote, there is absolutely no restriction on short selling in the currency markets. Trading opportunities are present in the currency industry whether or not a trader is extended or brief, or whichever approach the marketplace is moving. Since Forex trading always involves purchasing one currency and advertising another, there is absolutely no directional bias to the marketplace. So you will have equal usage of trade in a growing or falling market.